Jerry Brown here with Jerry Brown Travels.
Lori here.
Rental properties in San Miguel de Allende. What this video is going to be about is looking at this deluxe rental home here, a vacation rental home. And it's a beautiful property. And what's interesting to me, when I walked into the property, and I thought it was going to be, 100 years old and stuff like that, but actually it's only 2 years old. But all the modern conveniences and everything like that. We want to show you this home here. It's a 3-bedroom, and as you walk right in, you come into this beautiful courtyard here. There's a beautiful fountain over on this side here. Beautiful vegetation. Very quiet and serene. Now remember, we're in the heart of San Miguel, and you're just about a few hundred yards to the main plaza, the main square. Now let's go into the living room here. Let's take a look at the master bedroom here. So now we're entering into the master bedroom here. I always like to point out the ceilings here. Mexico has these beautiful ceilings, all natural, called a bova ceiling. And then also here, we have a fireplace, which is always nice. If you're here during the winter months, it will knock off a little bit of the chill. Now, right off the master suite here, we have the media room. And come in here, very nice setting here. You have a very large television here, flat screen. Very comfortable place to relax and just plug a movie in if you're inclined for that. And then we're going to step outside here, and I'm going to show you the outdoor terrace lanai. So coming out from the master bedroom, we're on the rooftop terrace here, and you can see behind me here the courtyard and all the vegetation. There's a lot of nice vegetation up here planted in pots, and over here we have a water feature, a little sitting area here. What I love about this location here, and what do they say? Location, location, location. This property has that. Behind us here, walking distance, just a few feet away, is the main square, the main cathedral, and that's where there's coffee shops and restaurants and art museums and just everything that you want to go and see. That's the hub, and then from that you'll be able to explore more parts of San Miguel. It's really nice because upstairs here we have a nice little sitting area here. Beautiful fireplace behind it. Well, this is definitely a fun room. We have a fireplace here also. 2 beds. Now let's walk and look at the master suite bathroom. Well, this is the third bedroom here. Look at these beautiful cabinets for storing all of your clothes in there. And then back of these doors is the bathroom, the ensuite. Wow, that was a beautiful property, wasn't it? How did you guys like it? Hey, make a comment down below and let us know. Also, we do have some other videos about rental properties here in San Miguel. Check them out also on our YouTube channel. Now, Lori, what did you like about the house?
I say, wow, I love it.
It is a definite wow. So the information that you'll need is posted down below on further information about the rental market here in San Miguel. That's Agave Real Estate Company. And hey, would you do us a favor? What would we like them to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. You know, we could use your
Audience,
yeah. And then you could be a subscriber, and all you need to do is press that little subscribe button, and you know it's free, and you're online, and you'll be able to see a video every week that we'll post and give you more information about Mexico and other places to retire and travel on a budget.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.